Happening today, the trial for the man accused of killing Michelle Martinko has now begun. Jerry Burns of Manchester is facing a first-degree murder charge in the 1979 slaying of the high school senior. KWWL reporter Ashley Neighbor has been covering this story for us, and today she's looking back at what led to this point. Ashley.
Well, Abby, jury selection got underway today in Scott County. That's because the court did not believe they could find an unbiased jury in Lynn County where the crime happened. Now, there are a couple of key issues in this case regarding DNA evidence and Burns's internet search history that could be pivotal in this cold case. Just 4 weeks ago, Jerry Burns shuffles into court, a hearing that would determine what evidence gets presented to the jury. The judge ultimately ruling to omit Burns's internet search history, which CRPD officers say delivers the why in this cold case.
To that point in the investigation, we were confident that we had established who our perpetrator was, so we figured out the who. But with 39 years, limited information, that's a long time that's gone by. We really didn't have a why. So finding this internet search history and how specific it was, we found it really probative.
The prosecution saying the search history pointed to his preference for blondes and fantasies of assault and rape.
The motive could be the fact that the defendant was seeking out a person, in this case Michelle Martinko, to act out some of these sexual behaviors on her, violent sex.
The prosecution won't have this to point to as a possible motive, which could prove critical to this case as no physical ties between Burns and Martinko was found, other than a DNA sample from a blood stain on the back of Martinko's dress, matching that of Jerry Burns. When investigators pressed him for details, Burns could not elaborate.
With the intent for the interview to, like I said earlier, to offer Mr. Burns an opportunity to or explain why his blood was on the dress.
Telling them to test it, referring to his DNA.
Correct, yeah. I had no explanation.
We also found out during that hearing that Burns' arrest falling on the 39th anniversary of Martinko's death was no coincidence. Investigators were hoping to get more information from Burns. Now, his son was also present during the arrest, and he's expected to testify. Live in the newsroom, Ashley Neighbor, News 7, KWWL.
Ashley, thank you very much. Martinko was a senior at Kennedy High School when her body was found in the Westdale Mall parking lot. And of course, we will be keeping you updated as the trial moves forward.